Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys!
Yes, welcome to another episode of YaadMentz. Tries. We know you missed us.
Yep.
We'll have a new video for you guys. It's a special video. It's a new year. Normally in a new year, people start to make all this one bag of resolutions. One of them especially is losing weight. After eating all that, scrumptious food in December, the niceness, and your belly just start swell, and you put on this extra pound, you know what I mean? So new year, new thing, and we'll have a nice little video here for you. If it's your first time here on YaadMentz Tries, my name is Sean.
And I'm Debbie.
And please subscribe to this video if it's your first time, and even if you've been watching us for a while, hit the subscription button. Also hit the notification bell as well, so when the new video drops, you get notified when we drop a new video. Yeah, so we're going today.
Alright, so last year, in the end of last year, we put out a Instagram story on our page to basically say if there are any small Jamaican business owners or Jamaican made products, anything like that, you should hit us up, because it's something that we would want to showcase on our channel. And as Sean was saying before, it's the new year, happy 2020, and a lot of people come with resolutions. So one of ours was really to get fit, lose some weight, because if you watch our other videos, like when we just started till now, you'd have seen that we put on some pounds. So we really wanted to be very serious about and very intentional about getting fit, not necessarily only seeing the scale go down not to a certain number, but really just to incorporate fitness
in our lifestyle,
into our lifestyle. So one of my friends from high school, she actually reached out to me. The name of her company is the Snatchinator. So the Snatchinator is actually a fitness waist training belt, which is what I have on currently. You guys will see the images of that. So basically, it's really supposed to help you with burning belly fat, which I know is a lot of persons struggle. It is mine, losing belly fat. So it's supposed to help you with doing that. You can use it while working out. You can use it while doing chores around the house, at work, depending on what you're wearing. It can fit comfortably under your clothes. So this video is really just to show you how we do our couples workouts. Everything that you will see in the video is not necessarily everything that we do all the time, but it's just an example to show you guys this is what we do. This is how you can use your Snatchinator when you guys purchase. She also has a website. It's called the Snatchinator.com. You can get more information on the website in terms of measurements and how to clean it, everything about them. You can find that out on their website. And you can also check out their Instagram. They have an Instagram page also with the details of everything. You're also gonna see me putting it on, so you guys can wear it either directly on your skin, which is how I'm wearing it currently. In the video, you will see me putting it up. It has a zipper that goes all the way up, and the thing that I really like about this, because I've been using it for about maybe 3 weeks now, the thing that I really like about it is that it is long enough. I've had other fitness belts that do not necessarily give you the coverage to your lower stomach area, while it is still all the way up under your bosom. So I really like that it definitely gives you full coverage, so it's not like you have the bottom of your belly hanging out and all that. And I feel like it really does cinch you in. So you have a zipper, you zip it up, and then you pull around these two, I guess you call these belts. You can pull them as tight as you want to, and then that is basically it. In all honesty, it did take me a while. Like the first week was a struggle because I wasn't used to it, but I feel like afterwards I got really used to it, and I felt really healthy. And I don't know if any of you guys exercise or if any of you guys have on a little bit more weight. Sometimes when you don't have anything, I guess, holding you, compressing you, you can feel your body like literally jiggling and moving. Maybe that's TMI for you guys, but you can feel your body jiggling and moving, and this just helps to keep everything together. As I said too, after we would have done the workout, like I see like the sweat. It's not gross, but it's just like you feel like the attention, the sweat, the heat being developed
in
right
that
there,
area, in that specific
because of the belt. So I really like it. I really love it so far. So I'm really hoping that you guys will check out. You ladies, I know you're not going to see Sean in the belt, but he was a good sport, and he came into the video with me and helped me too, because he's also on a journey too. get fit. Yeah.
Lose some extra fat, isn't it?
Yeah, he keeps saying he thinks he's so fat. Anyway, we're not gonna get into that conversation because you know how men can lose weight like that.
All right, so it's easily available, as in people can just go
you can order online, and if you have any questions or comments in terms of anything related to the belt, you can send them a DME also.
Okay.
They respond very quickly. The customer service, I can say, was like very, very good. They do have sales also sporadically. I don't have a code or anything like that, but trust me, the service that I got alone would make me buy belts for myself. I really want to thank her for also reaching out to us for us to be able to do this. And if you guys know anybody else.
Right. So question before we get into that. It's just strictly females belt right now because they do have male belt that males can wear to help with the whole stomach area. So it's just strictly females
but
right
for
now.
Right now it's strictly female.
Okay.
Sorry.
For all those guys out there, because they do make these type of belts for men as well. So I'm just checking out for the guys. I'm looking out for the guys. If you want that workout thing going for you. Unfortunately, she don't make the males right now. So hopefully it's a niche that she's looking to make
it's
some
a
for men.
pretty new company, as I would say. So I feel like she's just really trying to test the market so far. And guys, go and support her. Like, she's really sweet. She's really kind, and we really appreciate her for reaching out and really giving us one of these belts to use. I mean, I honestly really, really like it. I really do like it, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. Right,
so all the ladies out there, you're starting your fitness journey for 2020. This is another addition to what you can purchase and have for your journey. Males, if you're watching it and you see a lady that struggle, why wouldn't I fear a virgin and help out the struggle? You understand? But yeah, we really appreciate it. Big up. What's her name?
The Snatchinator.
The Snatchinator. We will definitely put a link in the description. In this video. All the handles that you can click on it and have a peruse for yourself and see what's going on. Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember,
get a little sweat in the workout before we show the video.
Remember to subscribe to this channel if you liked our content.
Yes.
Remember to like and share, hit the notification bell so you are notified every time we post something on our channel. We want to thank you again for tuning in, and please leave your comments down below of any other Jamaican brand out there that you'd like us to try, or if you who are watching are an entrepreneur, a Jamaican entrepreneur, please let us know and we will feature you here on our channel. Don't
worry, we are coming back. We're gathering some contents for you guys. Look out for some new stuff coming, and we want to try many different stuff. So look out for us. Big up yourself. Thank you for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye.